Hi guys, welcome to this quick review about this UBeesize 55-inch aluminum alloy professional tripod. The model type is 5500. You can see that here comes even with some small instructions manual, but it's actually very easy to use. So I'm going to show you what you get and how to use, and I'm also going to tell you why I really recommend this thing. The tripod which I'm currently using is very similar. It's about 90% the same because this thing is full function. This is what you usually need, but this has a huge advantage compared to the one which I'm using. So what you get is this carry bag, you get this 55-inch tripod with all the functions, and you get this bracket here for the smartphone, really nice. It has this 1/4-inch mount here and also down here, so I would say this fits even for super large mobile phones, absolutely no problem. Then it comes with this remote control, and this is very easy to use. You just turn it on and then you go to the Bluetooth settings of your phone, pair new device, and it shows UBeesize, and as soon as it's connected you go to the camera, normal camera, no special app needed or so, and you just push this button here and you can see it makes this photo. And now let's focus on the tripod itself. You can see we have this really long extension here, 55 inches, and we have this quick snap lock mechanism. This is what I really like, and it works really nice and smooth, and you can lock it in any kind of position. Of course I make it small again here to be able to show you everything, and you can see we can change easily the distance between the legs, and when we have it perfectly we can even secure it. And here's the standard hook to put something here and have even more weight to have it more stable, and it comes with this nice handle. We also have this bubble level here, and then we have this crank here to lift it up even a little bit more. Here on the left side we have this quick release, and then also very important, on the back of this quick release plate we have this handle here which can be secured here in the middle so it doesn't fall back, so we can easily secure. You can see that here it doesn't fall down, and we also have this gap here to use it with a coin or screwdriver. And we have this 90 degrees flipping option if you want to make vertical shootings, and of course also this 360 degrees option. This is really nice for some panoramic shootings, and after lifting this up here we can also secure it here on the left side. And now we have been talking about almost everything except one thing, and that's the most important thing for me, and that's the tilting function. And with my tripod, when I secure it a little bit to make sure that the camera is stable, when I move it up and down it's more like something like that. It's shaking, it's really difficult to move up and down, and this is definitely not a good thing for shooting. And you can see the difference here, and still after securing this you can still move it up and down very smooth. As you can see, this is one of the most important things which you can find on a tripod. So very beautiful, solid, with all the functions, really lightweight, and this big plus here, so I can give you a full recommendation, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. So I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.